It may be helpful to edit an employee's time, in case they forget to clock out or clock in. To do this, we will need to open the Time Clock Management window. Select Manager from the login screen and enter your credentials. Select Administrative, then Time Clock Management. Optionally, we can view one employee, making it easier to determine if they forgot to clock out or clock in. To edit an employee shift, put the cursor in the field that you would like to edit. Enter the date and time for that closeout. When done, select out of that field. The number of minutes and the wages will be updated. Here we can also choose to reprint the shift report, change the job code for this employee's shift, delete the clockout, delete the entry, or modify the closeout. When done, select Exit.